Okay guys, it's your buddy Rome again. In some of my previous videos, you guys have seen me install these bumper guards for this drone. This is our AVATA 2. And you guys see how that's set up, how it's protecting here. We also have some front collision guards on here. One of the other sensitive areas that I'm concerned about with this drone is going to be this top area here, because if the drone was to land or crash, you know, from this angle here, it's a good chance that this area is going to be really scarred up and damaged. So I do have a product from Sunny Life that I want to show you guys here. And that's going to be one of those spine covers. Now inside of this little packet here, you're going to get 4 screws. You only need 2, and also the screwdriver for this. So let's go ahead and open this up and see exactly what we get. All right, so as you guys can see inside here, we get our screwdriver, we get that back plate, and we get the additional screws. So like I said, you're going to get 4 of those for the installation. So first things first, this is going to fit on for the most part just like this. And you guys can see where the screw placements are here. So if you're looking at it closely, you can see the screw placements are right here, and it's not going to block your indicator light. So you just want to make sure you line that up properly, and this is going to fit perfectly on the drone. So let's get right to that. So first things first, we need to remove these top screws here. And all you have to do is really, easily just get in there. We're going to take these guys out. Here's number 1. Now, obviously, these screws are going to be much smaller than or shorter than the screws that you're going to be replacing this with. All right, so there you have it. We have both screws out. So now we have to do is place this where we want it to be, and you just want to look where you can see the indicator and also the screw holes. Then you're going to take your additional screws here. Now this little screwdriver, let's see if it's magnetic or not. Okay, so it is magnetic. That's good. So you want to start off by just kind of lining the screw up, getting it in there to get it started, and just do a light, soft, you just want to start it off. You don't have to be super tight on there. You're just trying to putting these in right now just to make sure they're going in the right direction. And you're not binding anything. So here's our second screw. We're going to do basically the same thing. Make sure everything's lined up properly. I'm going to drive this guy in. All right, so now we can kind of go back and forth to tighten these all the way down. And again, this does not have to be Superman tight, just tight enough that they're not going to back out. And that's pretty much it. All right, so now what we have is our spine protector on here. So if this drone was to, crash like this, you're not as worried about this section being damaged. It's not interfering with your GPS because there's still sections there open for that. Even once you install your batteries, as you see here on installing your battery, it's just going to fit in there perfectly. So yeah. So I think in a lot of ways, for confidence, especially for new pilots, new flyers, this is going to be ideal type of setup. So you're going to have your spine protector, you can have your bumper protection, and also having some type of additional gimbal protection on your AVATA 2 is a win. So I'm very pleased with this. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to show you quickly how to install this, how I've set up this AVATA 2 for everyday flights. And yeah, I'm really happy with this. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.